for my next video, I'd like to do one on extra dim. So I did a video a while back, not that long ago, and I'll put a link in the description there where you can click on it, on extra brightness. So there obviously is the opposite of that, and it's called extra dim. So let's just dive right in here. So first off, just to reiterate, we'll go over extra brightness first again. Display extra brightness increases the maximum brightness. This uses more battery. So that's if you're outside, you want to get a little bit more out of your brightness. That's how you do it. You're going to get quite a bit more out of your battery. I mean your brightness. It also takes your battery. So that's extra brightness, which again, I've already done a video on, so we won't go into that. Here is extra dim. So if you're like me and you're in your bedroom and you're reading your phone and you don't want to blare your eyeballs out late at night and you want to be able to read without having headaches, this is a really awesome feature. The problem is, don't forget to turn it off, because if you don't have the automatic adjustable brightness, you won't be able to see it during the day. So you'll have to go back in the darkness to see the slider to bring up the extra brightness. You won't be able to see that. So anyway, let's dig right in here, as I keep saying. So we want to go to, of course, settings, and then you want to scroll down to, I believe it's accessibility, vision enhancements. Went a little too fast. So vision enhancements, scroll down, and there it is, extra dim. So you turn that off. If I tap on it, the features that it has is dim the screen beyond the minimum brightness setting for more comfortable viewing. Extra dim shortcut, tap button in quick settings panel. So I have that on. I don't really ever tap it. Here's I'll show you what I'm talking about. So extra dim right here. Turning that off really doesn't do it. It doesn't make it any brighter. It just makes it so extra dim is not accessible, which I want it at night. So why would I want to turn that on and off? So I just leave it set, and I don't even know why I have a quick button in my panel, because I never change it. So we're going to just turn that off. So now I'll give you the example, a demo, that when we go down in brightness, you can see how low it's almost unreadable in the light. So you can get it that low, and then of course there's all the way bright. But when you go down in brightness, it's going down. And like right now, I have a light over me. I can't see the screen, and I have my thumb set on where the brightness is, or I wouldn't be able to bring it back up. So pretty unique feature, allows you to definitely see the phone in very light conditions that you don't want to hurt your eyes. There's a lot of phones out there, no names, that they go down, and that's as low as they go, and their lowest setting is pretty darn bright. I don't like that. So this is really a neat setting for me. I use it a lot. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.